Hey guys, Mobile Geezer back again, and today I'm back with a security update from Apple to update to iOS 17.6. An article just came out on Tom's Guide a little while ago, and I thought I'd let you guys know about it, at least for those who have an iPhone. Let's go take a look at this article.
Let's do this!
So as I said, it just came out a little while ago. Was it 35 minutes ago? Update to iOS 17.6 immediately. Apple fixes 35 urgent security flaws by Dave Leclerc. And this is not a test. So let's drop this into read review, get rid of the ads. For those who haven't started dabbling with the iOS 18 public beta, Apple has released iOS 17.6 with 35 critical security fixes that'll help keep your phone secure from hackers and other malicious sorts. If you typically hold off on updating your phone for whatever reason, you'll want to make sure that iOS 17.6 is something you install right away. The software update fixes issues with the kernel for the iOS operating system. It also solves some problems with WebKit. Apple didn't dive too heavily into specifics, as it wants users to be able to update before the hacking world at large knows all of the exploits. Once everything gets out, it'll be easier for hackers to take advantage of these exploits, which is especially concerning for the kernel bug. Apple did offer some information about the exploits, so we at least know what's fixed. First, in the kernel, the bugs are tracked as CVE 2024 27863 and CVE 2024 4788. The first could let an attacker determine the kernel memory layout, and the second could enable a hacker to cause an unexpected system shutdown. Neither outcome sounds good, especially when you can avoid them with a simple update. Another notable fix comes to Siri, as an attacker with physical access to the phone could use Apple's personal assistant to access sensitive user data. Shortcuts received a few similar fixes, and an attacker could use them to get around security and access sensitive user data. As mentioned, there are 35 total fixes outlined on Apple's iOS 17.6 support page. So if you're curious about what kinds of issues were running around in your phone before the update, it'll break it all down for you. It's worth noting that there's no evidence that any of these exploits are being used in the wild, but it's only a matter of time. So thank God they're not being used yet. The iPhone is already near the top of our best phone list, and this extra layer of security offered by iOS 17.6 is just icing on the cake. And if you're unsure how to update your phone, read our guide. So just wanted to get that out to you guys since it just came out. So all of you who have an iPhone, you should probably update to 17.6 as soon as you see it there. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.